Yes, me there here again once more with some more things to talk to you about. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media, and one of the reasons why I'm presenting these videos to you is because they are being talked about on social media. Alright? Alright, so first things first. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show how a truck hit a tractor viewers and subscribers. See? Now the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a truck that was being driven by someone. And the video is going to show a tractor that was being operated by someone. And the person who was operating the tractor was using the tractor to support the truck that was being reversed down a hill, viewers and subscribers. See? And somehow the truck got out of control and hit the tractor. Some people might say that the truck crashed into the tractor, viewers and subscribers. Anyway, so I don't have any confirmed information to determine if there was any injury or any fatality, viewers and subscribers. And the video shows when someone did something that I think was really dangerous. So I want to take a look at the video and tell me what I think about this situation, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Ready?
Yo, tell me what's back time.
Dangerous.
What's behind you? Yeah, for the back of it. Yo, go. Bombat!
You see what happened a while ago? I tell you, my people. You know me, I tell you. See, in my point of view, you know, it's like he might try for, you know, help in a certain way. That's in my point of view. But that's where that person was at. That was dangerous. Me, I tell you. You know. Alright, well, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. So I say, tell me what you see go wrong, or what you think might have gone wrong when it comes on to that video, or the situation that you can see and hear the video. Let me know what you think, my people. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that had been posted on social media, claiming to show some things that happened during a robbery at a business establishment. Now, viewers and subscribers, I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video be recorded, but the video is circulating certain places on social media, claiming that the video shows what is believed to be a robbery at a business establishment. In my point of view, and based on some words that a man who you can see in the video said, I got the understanding that the man demanded money from a person who you can see in the video. And I believe that the man somehow intimidated the person, viewers and subscribers. See? And I look at the video carefully to see if the person who is considered to be a robber was holding any form of weapon. But anyways, I'm going to present this video to you. I want you to look at the video carefully and tell me what I think about the situation. I would like you to tell me if you think the person was holding any form of weapon. You can tell me if you think the person had any form of weapon at all. Viewers and subscribers, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, pay attention to the video.
My boss still here.
Video shows inside of a business establishment. Look. Okay, so I see 2 persons in that video. 2.
Right here, you see it? Right here? Just turn it.
So I go under some people. You see that? Just look what I go. Notice their behaviors.
Yeah.
Notice how they are behaving. Yeah. See? Look.
Oh,
I don't know. I don't know. You are saying what is the complaint? I don't know. Only that I said to you.
Just go and look at people.
Everything.
Yes. Say it up. Say here.
You see right there?
Yeah. You see my hand? Yeah. Second, you can look. Yeah, that's fine. My boss coming just now.
What?
My boss coming just now. Yeah.
Phone I use.
They're right in.
Yeah.
So, me look at the video carefully, viewers and subscribers, and I wonder if the person was holding any form of weapon. So, may I say, yeah, I look to see if the person was holding any form of weapon. Viewers and subscribers, more tell me what you think about that situation there. I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. You see what I'm saying to you? And, you know, when it comes on to business establishments and business owners and so forth, I think it is time that some high security be put at business places, no matter what, because some crazy things are going. You see what I say? Let me know what you think. Now, before I move on to another video, viewers and subscribers, I want to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been watching Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please do so and click the notification bell as well so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now I'm going to present another video to you, and this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person had been approached by police from within the country of Jamaica. The video that I'm about to present to you is going to show more than one police officers, and the video also shows on at least one of those police officers hold on to a part of the person's clothes or the person. In the video you can hear the person saying harsh language and saying some words, viewers and subscribers. In my point of view, it seems as if the person was upset. You see what I say? Anyway, so I don't have any confirmed information as to why the person had been approached by police officers, but I want to point out that the video shows a police motorcycle in front of a motor vehicle. See? Alright, so I want you to look and listen to the video and tell me what you think about the situation that you're about to see and hear in this video, viewers and subscribers. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe. Alright, there's not a whole lot me can say about the situation that you can see and hear in the video, but I want you to listen to this part of the video. Listen. Hold on. Let me play back the part there again. Listen again. So clearly that person really and truly upset me people. And for some reason this video has been talked about on social media. Oh well. Alright, well anyways, you let me know what I think about that video itself. Let me know what I think about all these videos that I presented to you. I think here's where I'm going to leave it now, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.